for the show. Last time the Bullitt's gonna be seen before it goes off to Rick. What's going on, guys? We just made it to the Mustang Lifestyle car show, meet, or whatever you want to call it. We're over here at Desertland, Orlando. We got cars parked all inside. The show should be starting soon, so we're going to be parking cars outside in front. And yeah, it's pretty cool. There's a lot of music in here, that's why I'm talking out, but let's just get into the show. Good friend of ours. I got a sticker. Now the question is where to put it. And this is his car, by the way. Yeah. Well, we could put it right here. Oh, nah, it'll get hot.
That's true.
It'll get gross. We put it right on the turbo, you know.
Yeah. You don't think that's gonna get hot?
He doesn't race his car.
How about right here?
He takes so many L's, right?
Listen, this car is actually kind of impressive.
You know I have two 3.7 V6 cars sitting at the shop right now, right?
Slap a turbo on it and call it a day.
Well, no, I got plenty of motors on lock for this dude when he blows them up. I got two, ready to go.
All right, let's just get it off.
He didn't notice us standing by his car. Come on, hurry up.
I'm trying.
This is not a good advertisement for my stickers. This is a reject one, FYI.
That is the reason why we took it, and we are putting it on a friend's car just to mess with him. But we all know he's gonna like it, so
Yeah, there we go.
I don't know how much we commend the V6 world. Sorry, I said it.
Hey, I got 2 3.7s. I would love to put a turbo on one.
But
This thing's pretty sick, honestly.
look at it. Look, you know it's serious. You gotta show him. Look at it. I don't know how good it is. When
What is that? That's not a GoPro.
No, but you know, whatever. But got some good meaty tires on them.
Yeah.
Don't be showing the plate, but you know.
Bye, John. John was here. Will the wide body fit? Well, smoky. Wow. What are we doing?
Alrighty, guys. Everybody sees the name on this board, correct? Everybody here sees I'm in first already. Look at that. That's how we do it. I need a locker. I need an ID so I can get the locker key. And what side should we use? Oh my god.
Hey Nick, you see that? Number 2.
What?
I passed him at the end.
Hey, I let
How do you feel about that?
You know what? We'll do it again. There's no way. I was out in front the entire time.
I caught up to
They
you
put
though.
you in the front. Shut up. I still kept it.
Think about this, I caught up to you. I passed Nick, I passed Ashley, I passed Jackie. Jackie nearly spun me out.
I got stuck behind some girl, and she would not move. And that I call bullshit. I call round 2.
Yeah, I don't know, that shows me on top. Out of line garage. It's a project that they're working on. Pretty cool.
All this I saw yesterday, just so that we have more time. It's just a cheap junkyard round cars.
We're just